Hello buddies, trust me when I say that this pie recipe will save you 50% of the cost of making it. And not just that, for those that are looking at maximizing profit while reducing cost and at the same time giving value to your customers or clients, you're going to love this recipe very well. And also those that wants to put there's one particular ingredient that I'm going to use, although I don't usually use it, but I decided to use it in this recipe to save cost for some persons that would love to try. So let's make this. First, I started with 4 cups of flour. This should be equivalent to 500 grams of flour. Now, instead of me using the whole sachet, which is 250 grams, I used just half, which is 125 grams. Then I added 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and half teaspoon of salt. Next, I added 1/8 teaspoon of turmeric powder. You can also use egg yellow for this. Combine everything till you get something like this. Next, you start adding in your normal temperature water. You can as well use cold water or chilled water. So for this, I started by adding the first 4 tablespoons of water. After adding that and combining, I then went in with the next 4, making it 8. And after adding the next 4, I also added the next 4, making it 12. Okay, now one thing you should bear in mind is while mixing this, you don't have to knead it or overly knead it. Okay, I added extra 2 tablespoons, making it 14. Then I added the last half tablespoon. So I have for what I used here, I used about 14.5 tablespoons. Like I said, you don't need to over knead this, or you don't even need to knead it. Just be making sure you're combining. Once it combines and it's just like you saw in this video, you're going to keep that aside and then let it just stay for like 10 minutes. After the 10 minutes, you start cutting it. You cut it like this. I cut this one around that kind of 90 grams, sorry. Then you're going to just place it on your empanada or meat pie cutter. Now you can use any filling of your choice, your fish pie, your meat pie, anything, any filling of your choice. So here I use my fish pie filling or fish patties filling, anyone. And then just the normal way you make your meat pie or your fish pie, just go ahead, put your sauce, wrap it up with by applying your water or egg wash or anything. Then you're going to place this on your baking tray, brush with egg wash and bake in your preheated oven at the temperature that your oven bakes best. So I baked at 150 for 60 minutes and I have this. Guys, you can see how amazing this is. It tastes amazing and it has this kind of texture between being crusty and being a little bit soft, and believe me, when you try this you're going to love it absolutely. So I'll be waiting for your comment in the comment section when you try this recipe. Until then, see you in my next one.